Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm doing something pretty easy, quick. I want to show y'all. Today I'm doing some old school fried lemon pepper wings. Just like you would get at these expensive wing stops and Buffalo Wild Wings and them kind of places. Which I think that's, like I always tell people, that's the biggest rip-off it is in the world, is those wing places when you can make them right at home yourself. So the recipe is very simple. I got chicken wings. I got my 2 spices that I use now, my CAVENDERS. Then y'all remember my video about Uncle Steve's shake? Put that on there. I'm gonna season it there, toss it in fry it, and then I'm gonna toss it in the lemon pepper butter. So I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna cut my chicken wings up. I'm gonna just use these 2 joints, this one and this one. I'm gonna use this, save that for chicken stock. And we're going to show you the next step. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Okay, I got my chicken wings cut up here. Like I said, I just used the end piece and the little joint there. And the little piece here I saved for stocks. I saved these little pieces from my old school chicken stock. It's perfect for stock. So now all I'm going to do, let's say this very simple. Season it with with my CAVENDERS. Y'all know I love my CAVENDERS. And my Uncle Steve shake here. Oh Lord, I put too much in there. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. Took the cap off of there. Get that much in there, do it. Take a little off. Forgot I took the plastic off of there. Okay. No big deal. Okay. Cap back on there. Okay, we're gonna toss this together. Alrighty, got it good and seasoned here. Take this off. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put it in flour. This is just regular AP flour. Nothing in it. It's regular AP flour here. We're gonna dust it in flour and fry it off. That's all I'm gonna do. Y'all know I got my shake and bake method here. Okay. I'll dust the flour off of there and put it in my fryer here. Like I said, if you don't have a fryer, you definitely use your cast iron skillet for this. Put them in here till they get the golden brown and float. And then we're gonna do the next. I'm gonna put maybe about 7 in here at a time. And then we'll do the next 7. More should do it. Okay, we're gonna let that cook there, and we'll be right back when it's ready and do the next batch. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, while we waiting on that to fry, I'm gonna cook this on here, and we're gonna melt our butter. What it is, butter and lemon pepper. A couple of tablespoons I put in here. We're gonna melt this together, and this gonna be this is what's gonna make it lemon pepper wings. Alright, we put a little of that in there, melt the butter, and let's see how simple that is. We're going to put a little parsley in here too. A little parsley in there for color. All you want to do is melt it. You do not want to boil this. Definitely don't want to boil it. Like I said, y'all can make your own. You know how you go in these wing places and get lemon pepper wings? Now this you can make your own right at home. Right at home here. Very simple. Like I say, you do not want to boil this. If you want them milk solids to stay inside the butter, so that's gonna help coat the chicken. If you boil it and you boil out the milk solids, then you have nothing but straight butter and you're gonna wind up with a greasy chicken. So you definitely don't want that. All we want to do is melt it. You can do this in the microwave too, but I like to do it in the pot so I can control it better. Because it takes no time at all to do it in the pot. And that's it, y'all. That's melting, ready to go. All we doing, waiting on the chicken. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, these chicken wings here are ready. So I'm gonna put them in a pan here and let them drain. But when they start to float like this, I mean they're absolutely ready. So we're gonna put them in here. See how golden brown and nice these are? Took about 15 minutes in here. So I'm gonna set these to the side and I'm gonna toss these other ones in the flour. And we're gonna get these in the fryer and we'll be ready to add the sauce. Like I say, this is so easy, y'all. Nothing to it. You'll never go to Wingstop again. Buffalo Wild Wings or Pluckers, however wing places, they charge astronomical prices for some chicken wings. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Okay, that's it on that. We'll be right back when these ready. We'll toss it in the sauce. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we're gonna get these out of here. These are ready. We're gonna let them drain about 5 minutes, good. Let them drain about 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back, toss them in the, that nice golden brown these are. That's what we want. Okay, I'm gonna let them drain about 5 minutes. We're gonna toss it in the lemon pepper butter, and we're gonna plate it up. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, now this is how I do my chicken wings when I toss them. Put them in a bowl here. Stick them in here in the bowl. And they done drain really good. They're nice and crispy, golden brown. Nice and crispy and golden brown there. Now, move this here to the side. Now, we're gonna take some of the butter we melted together. Make sure you stir it up. Make sure it's really stirred up. And just pour it all on top of the wings. See that? Then I put a top on them like this. Sure the lid is very sealed. Then I just shake them up like this. Make sure every wing is coated. That's it. See that? Now we're gonna plate these up. Put them in the pan fold here. See how nice those look? Beautiful, huh? Like I say, man, y'all can do this instead of going to Wingstop. You can make your own lemon pepper wings. Make your own lemon pepper wings, y'all. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. And that little sauce that's in the bowl, you can't let that go to waste. Just go around there just like that on top. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit here just a second. These suckers are really hot. You know that. They just come out the oven. Just come out the fryer. So I'm gonna let them sit here for a second, and we'll be right back and try them. All right, y'all. Let's try these things here. This is my favorite part right here. Is this wing you pull apart. Oh God. It's so crispy, dipping in the ranch. Wow, these are so flavorful. First, I season them with my Cavender meat seasoning, Uncle Steve shade, and then you hit it with that lemon pepper. You got the lemon coming that through too. Hey, look how crispy. And you dip it in that ranch. Then I use the salted butter too. Oh my God, these are so good. You'll have to try this recipe. You have to. It's so easy. This here cost me $3 to make. $3. You go to Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings, it's gonna cost you over $20 for this many wings. So anyway, give this recipe thumbs up. Please share, please comment. Please subscribe to my other channels if you're in heaven. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.